Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel with another video, and in this video we find the value of 8k cube plus 27 over k cube, and the given data is 4k square plus 9 over k square is equal to 6. So let's start. This is 8k cube plus 27 over k cube, and we write 8 as a 2 raised to power 3, which is also equal to 8, and this is a k cube plus this is a 27, so we can write 27 as a 3 raised to power 3 over k cube. So we write this as a 2k whole raised to power cube plus 3 over k raised to the power 3. So we basically here we use a formula, so that is why we arrange this value in cube format. So we use a formula which is a cube plus b cube, it is equal to a plus b multiply a square plus b square minus ab, and in our question a is 2k and the b is 3 over k. So this will become a is this 2k plus b is 3 by k. After that this is a square and a is 2k, so 2k square plus b is this 3 by k, so 3 by k square minus a which is 2k multiply b which is 3 by k, and after that we simplify this value. This is our 2k plus 3 over k, so this will become a 4k square, and this will become a 9 over k square. And look at this k and k cancel, and 2 3s are 6. Now look at this. In our question 4k square plus 9 over k square is equal to 6, so we replace this value by 6 and we get this is a 2k plus 3 over k, and this is equal to 6, so we write here 6, this is a minus 6, and after that 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, so this will become a 2k plus 3 over k multiply 0. 0 multiplied by some number is 0, so we get 8k cube plus 27k cube is equal to 0. So we have done. Thank you.